Today we're gonna cook... Я не помню, что, я же не готова была. Microwave mug.
Можемо ще раз то я сказала, на Аймена помахала, а не на hello.
Я спотела уже.
Слушайте. Ну, скажи тогда, follow our recipe and see you next video. Мне просто надо повторить сейчас. Hello guys, I'm Anna.
I'm Dasha and this is Language School. Today we're gonna cook microwave mug cake and learn some cooking vocabulary.
This chocolate mug cake recipe can be made for 1 or 2 if you like to share. You likely have all the ingredients in your kitchen cupboard already. Enjoy our video.
You will need 4 tablespoons of self-raising flour, 4 tablespoons of caster sugar, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1 medium egg, 3 tablespoons of milk, 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil or sunflower oil.
Add 4 tablespoons of self-raising flour, 4 tablespoons of caster sugar and 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder to the largest mug you have and mix.
Add 1 medium egg and mix in as much as you can.
Add 3 tablespoons of milk, 3 tablespoons of vegetable or sunflower oil.
Center your mug in the middle of the microwave oven and cook on high for 2 minutes or until it has stopped rising and is firm to the touch.
But how about making this dessert even more quality? We also offer you to prepare hot chocolate.
You will just need 2 cups of milk, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 120 grams of milk chocolate.
Combine milk and sugar in a small saucepan and place on the cooker over medium heat.
While the milk is heating, place the chopped chocolate in the microwave and heat for 30 seconds. Take the chocolate out and stir it. Return to microwave and heat for another 30 seconds.
When the milk reaches the scalding point, turn off the heat and add the melted chocolate, whisking to combine.
Top with whipped cream or marshmallows if using, and enjoy!
We hope that you will enjoy this absolutely chocolate madness. Serve it either with homemade marshmallows or whipped cream. This rich and creamy hot chocolate is easy to make and it has intense chocolate flavor.
Follow our recipe. Bye bye!